this video, learn how to use Cardano's Yoroi wallet to stake your ADA within a stake pool, so you can earn, at the time of making this video, around 5% more ADA in staking rewards simply for having your ADA in your wallet. In this video, learn how to download, set up and use Yoroi wallet, get coins into your wallet, and then choose a staking pool based on the rewards, fees and quality of the pool. All timestamps are in the description. How much can you actually earn from staking ADA? Well, luckily Cardano actually gives us this webpage. If you come to the cardano.org website, you can find out for yourself. We can choose whether we are running a stake pool or delegating our stake. In this video, I'll be concentrating on delegating our ADA. Cardano actually has one of the lowest barriers to entry when it comes to running a stake pool, but you do need a computer system that runs 24/7 in order to run a node in the blockchain and to run a stake pool. So in this video, I'll be looking at delegating our stake, which is choosing a stake pool so we can give over our coins and participate in the rewards. Choose how much ADA that you have, so let's say 20,000, and it will tell you exactly how much ADA you'll be rewarded with each year delegating your ADA to a stake pool, and the percentage yield right now, according to Cardano, is around 4.6%. Some other important information to note is that unlike various other blockchains, if a validator is a bad actor, there will not be any slashing of your ADA stake. This means that if we give our tokens over to a stake pool and they do a bad job, we will not have any of our stake taken away or our rewards reduced, and that does happen on some other blockchains, but not on Cardano for now. The minimum amount of ADA that you can stake is 10 ADA, and it will take up to 15 to 20 days before getting your first staking rewards. In terms of supported wallets, there's Yoroi and Daedalus wallet. Daedalus works on your operating system, so Mac, Windows or Linux. Yoroi is Chrome based and also smartphone based as well. You can remove your ADA at any time from a stake pool and redelegate it to a different stake pool. And this is important because if a stake pool gets too large, its rewards will actually be reduced. This is to prevent any one stake pool from getting too large. And so you do need to be sure that you're not investing in a stake pool that is too big, because you might be receiving lower rewards than you should be. If you want to learn more, just come to cardano.org and then you can read these FAQs. Coming to Yoroi wallet then, this is a Cardano specific decentralized wallet. Come and download it for your web browser or your smartphone. I'm going to go and choose Chrome. It comes as an extension, so come through and click add to Chrome. It will then download the extension for you. After the extension is on your Chrome browser or any other browser that you're using, you'll have to go and essentially set up an account with the wallet. Yoroi is a gateway, so you can use it with other hardware wallets. If you have a ledger, for example, you can keep your ADA on the ledger and use the Yoroi wallet to interact with the blockchain. You can check out the video description for some recommended hardware wallets, but when you come through, you can either choose the simple or the advanced interface. I recommend the advanced interface. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use it anyway, and it does give you more functionality and options overall. I'm choosing not to use payment URLs for right now. I'm not going to be using Yoroi wallet for anything else than staking, so I don't need to set this up. Now we have the option to either restore a wallet that we have already, which we probably don't, or to create a new wallet. Like I said, you can link up a hardware wallet here, so you can click that option if you want. Let's click on create new wallet. In terms of picking your currency, we are going to pick Cardano in this instance. You simply have to name your wallet, so I'm going to name it James. Then choose a spending password. This is the password that you're going to input when you are sending and receiving or spending tokens from your wallet. Once you've completed that, it's going to take you through to your recovery phrase. It's recommended that you write this down and keep it somewhere extremely safe where it can't get damaged or lost. You need the recovery phrase to restore your wallet. So if you want to use your wallet on a different computer, you're going to need the recovery phrase to set up your wallet. If you lose access to your wallet and also lose the recovery phrase, you will never get access to your wallet or any value in the wallet ever again. Also, if someone has access to this recovery phrase, then they potentially have access to the wallet and absolutely everything in the wallet. It's really important then that you write this down and keep it somewhere extremely safe. Once you have done that, click confirm, and it brings us straight into our newly created wallet. Once we have our wallet set up, we need to get some ADA tokens in here. The Yoroi wallet does actually offer this service. If you go over to the main page and come to buy and sell ADA, it will take you through to a third-party provider called Changely. They essentially take your credit card info and then charge your card and deposit the ADA directly into your wallet using your wallet's address. This might be an easy option for you, although it is usually more expensive to do this than using a low-cost exchange like Kraken or Binance. Kraken does offer trading in Cardano as well as Binance, and they usually have lower fees overall. I've got step-by-step guides on how to sign up and use both Kraken and Binance, so I'll leave those in the description for you. What I want to do though is withdraw some of the ADA tokens that I have in my Binance over to my Yoroi wallet. So we come back to the Yoroi wallet and then we need to click on receive. This will show us our wallet address. If you're using Binance, Kraken or another service on a mobile phone, all you're going to have to do is come to send or withdraw and then scan this QR code and it will input the wallet address for you. If you don't have that option, then just come over to your full wallet address and click copy to clipboard, and then you can go and paste that in the other app when you're withdrawing. So right here I have the address that I want to withdraw to from my Binance. I've got my ADA tokens right here and I can just paste this in, and straight away Binance does recognize this as a wallet address matching to a corresponding network, which is also the Cardano network. It's definitely the Cardano network that we want, so we click Cardano network to be sure. Once you've confirmed that you are transferring the correct coin, you have the correct address and the correct network, you can choose how many ADA that you want to send over. I'm going to click max right here, so you can see there is a fee of 1 ADA token to send the transaction over the network. Even though I am using Binance specifically for this, it will be the same process, more or less, no matter what exchange or wallet that you're using. And now that ADA has hit our wallet, we can see that transfer has completed. So that has gone through the blockchain into our Yoroi wallet. Now what we can do is go and delegate our ADA and start staking it. To delegate, come to the delegation list. Now with ADA, there are multiple stake pools and all of them have slightly different rates for us. You can actually come and search for the stake pool that you want to use if you know the name. If you know the name of the stake pool or the ID, just put it in right here, search for it, and it'll come up with any stake pools that go by that or a similar name. If you don't know the name of the stake pool, then just leave it blank and you can come and search all the different stake pools and they are actually ranked for you. Yoroi itself does rank these, and so we can see some very specific details. Firstly is the pool size. This is extremely important. Like I said earlier, if a stake pool gets too large, its rewards will start to be reduced. Right now, this specific stake pool, one of the highest performing, called Goat Stake, has 51 million ADA in the stake pool. We can see the cost to us for delegating our stake here is 3.4%. So that means that for running the stake pool, Goat Stake will take 3.4% of the rewards. That doesn't really matter too much though. The big number that we need to focus on is the estimated ROA for us personally. So the estimated return is around 5.55% if we stake our ADA with Goat Stake. You can certainly use Yoroi wallet to come and look at all the different stake pools, but there are other services that do this for us as well. For example, adapools.org. If you do go to the adapools.org website, it will give you a lot more information about all of the best performing stake pools. Come and see the information and really understand what is happening with the stake pools and the blockchain. But simply scroll right down and you can see the best performing stake pools right here. So just like we saw on Yoroi wallet, it is the Goat Stake pool that is the top performing right now. But as you can see, they are getting very close to the maximum allowed amount of ADA before they start getting their rewards reduced. So you can come and choose a stake pool that gives very competitive rewards in terms of the percentage yield, but also isn't quite up near the maximum amount of delegated ADA. We can also see the fees that each stake pool charges us for running the stake pool, so around 2.5%, up to 3%, some even low as 1.5% overall. It's not really important how much they charge, but the overall return that they're giving us and the quality of the stake pool in terms of how they run the stake pool is also important as well. Once you've chosen a stake pool that you think you might like to delegate your ADA coins to, then come back to your Yoroi wallet and simply come to delegate. We should have our coins in there, so it should recognize that we have an amount of ADA that we can give over to the stake pool. You can only delegate your stake to one stake pool at a time. Yes, you can switch your delegation to a different stake pool at any time also, and you can also cancel your delegation at any time too. Click the name of the stake pool and the stake pool ID. For right now, I can't actually choose how much ADA I have to stake. It just automatically stakes the whole amount that I have in my yoroi wallet. Input the spending password that you chose when you were setting up the wallet, and it will also give you the approximate amount of ADA rewards that you will receive per epic. Once you're happy with all of this, just click on delegate, and it's literally as simple as that. It has been delegated successfully for us. We can go back to our dashboard page. It now shows us our total delegated ADA right here, and down at the bottom you can see upcoming rewards. These will be the rewards that are paid out to the stake pool, and you will only be paid rewards based on when you start your staking and not beforehand. We also get a very nice graph of the rewards that we actually get over time. It also gives us the webpage of the stake pool if we want to keep up to date with what the stake pool is doing. But I would always recommend going to adapools.org and seeing how much ADA the stake pool has, just so you know that it isn't starting to reduce any rewards. If you want to remove your delegation at any time, come up to your wallet and simply click withdraw. You do have two options here. Firstly is keep registered. This will let you withdraw your staking rewards, so any yield that you've got, you can withdraw that, but your original stake will stay in the stake pool, continuing to earn rewards. Clicking on deregister will take both your rewards and your initial stake out of the stake pool so that you can move them somewhere else. Staking ADA on yoroi wallet enables you to have custody of your assets and choose the stake pool. Some users though may prefer to use an exchange like Kraken to actually go ahead and buy the Cardano, and Kraken do actually offer a staking service as well that takes the complexity out of it. Just come down to the staking portion of Kraken's website. You can see you can stake Cardano at around a 4 to 6% yield directly on the exchange. Binance also have a staking product, so you can buy ADA directly on the exchange and then stake for 30, 60 or 90 days. Although do check if the staking is available or sold out.